标准，
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more rounds. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour up ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.
What up to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. I know it's been a while since y'all seen me, man. But as you see, I am at work right now. But I just want to talk to y'all, give y'all a quick update about my car, man. Let y'all know what's going on with the car. So with that being said, man, I'll show y'all some videos, show y'all some clips of my car, but long story short, man, I got a situation going with my car. Had a guy fixing my car. Then, like I said, he been had my car since like August, man. Yeah, since August 31st to be exact. So the guy been had my car since August 31st, and still ain't got my car, bro. Still ain't got it. So, you know, I contacted the guy, told him I want my car and stuff. I'm not even gonna put his name in the video or none of that. Not even gonna mention the name because we're going through some stuff. Just want to give y'all a quick update, cause I know people been asking, hey, when you gonna get your car back, man? Where your car at? But yeah, man, so we're going through some things. You know, I told the guy I'm gonna come get my car. The guy go out there, the car is not even there. Go to the police station, man, tell the folks about it. And one of the sheriff told me that they been seeing the car riding around. So yeah, guy been driving my car around, man. So yeah, that kind of crazy, man. I gotta go handle that. So I don't know when I'm gonna get my car back, but y'all just stay tuned with that, man. We want to give y'all a quick update. I know people been asking me, hey man, where your car at? We ain't seen your car. I still have my car, but technically I don't have my car. So yeah, man, I said, man, the guy just been riding around in my car. I don't know, it's crazy, man. I had a little dent. I said I'm gonna post pictures and videos so y'all can see it, man. I had a little dent by my door. He supposed to been fixing the dent in my door, and I guess he fixed the dent, man. Just started doing what he want to do in the car. So yeah, man, I'm going through that right now. Got to get all that situated, man. I said I'm not gonna mention the guy's name. Not gonna do anything, you know. I got to get all that taken care of, but I just want to give y'all a quick update about that. And man, I said I'm at work, man. We got this nice Durango out here too. Hold on. And it is a Hemi for y'all to get the saying it's not. Yeah, it's a Hemi. Thing clean, man. We got a scat over here somewhere too. Let me see if I can find a scat, man. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you looking for a Durango, you looking for a scat pack, man, I got you. Just hit my DM, man. Let me know. I got you. We just got it in, so it do have to get service, so that's why I sent back here. But yeah, man. I said I got you. We also got a V6 over there somewhere, man. So y'all want a V6 Challenger? We got that also. Mustang, whatever y'all want, man. You looking for anything, hit my DM on Instagram. Instagram is right there, man. Yeah, man, I just find it crazy, man. You know, the guy been had my car that long, bro. Been contacting, he not responding, not answering the phone. To me, that bad business, man. Then come to find out that the police tell me that they see in my car riding around. My girl even told me. A couple more people done told me that they seen my car. Like, man, that ain't my car, man. Can't be my car. Whole time, that my car riding around. Crazy, man. Crazy how people would try to get over on you. Yeah, then the guy gonna tell me he thought I didn't want the car no longer. Man, come on, man. It don't even make sense. So what you thought I just gonna give up my car? Just say you can have it. Man, come on, man. So yeah, man, I'm trying to get all that taken care of. Crazy, bro, how people try to do you, try to get over on you, man. Try to get over. And not only that, the man gonna tell me I gotta pay him $8,000. $8,000 for that little old bitty dent. When the original price was $650, man. Come on. I just don't understand, man. Yeah, man, we got the Corvette out here too. Yeah, I need a Corvette. We got a Corvette. Like I said, look at that V6, so I know. Look at the V6 right there, man. Y'all want a Stinger? Got a Stinger for you too. And you know, anybody looking for Bronco, man, we got plenty of Bronco. Plenty of them. Plenty. I should have went on and grabbed the key so y'all can see the inside of this. This baby here so clean. This baby so clean, bro. No, it nasty. It back in the back, man. What's up, man? Y'all can see this in person. And if it was clean. Door lock. Yeah, door locked on it, man. But this thing so clean, bro. Too hard. Yeah, but man, I'm not even gonna hold y'all like that, man. I just wanna do a quick little update, man. That part of the one reason I ain't been doing videos, man. But it kinda had me frustrated. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know, I know y'all gonna be saying, why you ain't gonna get the car, man? We can't find the car. Me, police can't find it, so you know, it is what it is, man. All I can do is do what I can, let the police do what they can also. But it's crazy, man. It's crazy how people try to get over on you and do you, man. Now the fact, man, for y'all guys that like the old Raptors, man, hold on. We had a Raptor R also. Raptor R gone. But man. About the only Raptor. About the only Ford I'd probably get is a Raptor. I see that Range Rover. So man, if you pay attention, you've been watching my video, like I think my car really ain't been in the video since like May. Since that video that I did in May, it's around by, let's see. I said we had went to the block party. That video there, we had went to Camp Hill block party. That's the last time my car was in the video, cause that's the time I had the accident in the car. So, I know y'all wondering, that ain't what happened to your car anyway. So me, I pulled out, a guy pulled out in front of me. Either hit him head on or turn off. So I turned on. When I turned off, my back tire caught the grass. So I ain't hearing a sign, so you know. That's how I got the dent in the door. You know, broke the side skirt, but that ain't that. Yeah, man, so yeah, I got the guy to fix it, and I ain't seen my car since, man. So, got people out looking for my car. Hopefully I can find it. Hopefully I get my car back, man. But it's just crazy to me, man. Now y'all tired of hearing me saying it, but it's crazy, man, how people would do you. People would try you, man. But all thing I can do is stay positive, man. Keep faith in God. Everything will work out, man. So, you know, hopefully I can get that and get me something better, you know. Get me something there. I've been looking for something else anyway, so hopefully I go on and get my car back and get me something else also, bro. We had a Porsche out here. I guess the Porsche gone. But yeah, man, like I said, man, looking for a vehicle, man, hit my DM. If I can't find it, I can get it shipped, drive it to you however you want it. Come get it however you want it, man. We gonna get it to you. So hit my DM, man. YK_Slim, man. Hit that. Yeah, man, that's about all I had for y'all, man. So hopefully next time I can have a car content video for y'all. Hopefully next video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on my car, man. Like I said, man, with that being said, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. For Court, aka YK Slim.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my pistol and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more rounds. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down.